Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the essentials and the first actionable steps: park level, chalk wheels, and dump the air to 0 psi so the bag is relaxed. Once done, disconnect the battery ground to prevent valve or sensor activation, then jack the trailer and support the axle with stands. Do not rely on the jack alone. Make sure to remove the wheel if it obstructs the bag. You're now positioned to access the airline and mounting hardware safely and with the bag deflated. You'll continue by disconnecting the air fitting and labeling the line, then cap it to keep contaminants out. Next, unbolt the top and bottom mounts. Hold the bag as you remove the last fastener, and keep spacers, bolts, and isolators for reassembly. Once the old bag is out, compare the new bag's orientation and transfer any brackets or use the supplied hardware. Align mounting holes and start bolts by hand. Make sure to torque to manufacturer specs. To avoid leaks, to finish, reconnect the airline and battery, then slowly pressurize the system to a low PSI and watch the bag seat into the mounts. Once the bag holds air, lower the trailer to normal load height and inspect fittings and seams with soapy water for any bubbling. Make sure to fix leaks immediately. After a short test ride, re-torque fasteners and recheck the system. If the bag creaks, leaks, or the ride height is wrong, stop and verify mounting orientation and airline seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.